Welcome to Pydle Day 114. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is Blinky, which is one of the ghosts from Pac-Man. You remember we had Pac-Man a few days ago. So have a go at solving today's Pydle. If you're new to Pydle or you just want to watch a bit of Python being programmed, then stick around, as I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was the Netherlands flag, well, as best as you can represent it on a 5x5 pixel grid. Okay, this is going to be super easy. So we literally just have some horizontal lines in the different colors, so we can stick with those coordinate system, the Pydle coordinates. So all you need to do is say if we can even do it probably in a single line. Let's try it in a single line. The Pydle statement. So we say white if y in 2, 3 else red if y less than 2 else blue. Okay, so what's happening here? So we can have in this kind of inline if statement or ternary, you can have as many else ifs as you want. So the first one is white if y in 2, 3. So those are rows 2 and 3. Else, and now else red. So this doesn't work for else if. It says else red, and then you have another if statement, and then a final else without an if. That's one that kind of catches the rest of the pixels. Okay, and there you see that solves the Pydle. So really simple one today. I hope you had fun. I hope you were enjoying the World Cup. I certainly am. So have a go at solving Plinky, and then come back tomorrow on this YouTube or TikTok, and I will show you the solution.